Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? This is a new one for me. 18x7 red brown flush door link with smoked windows, so you cannot see in there. That looks great. I'm gonna move this garbage can here. We're almost done. I'm tired. Worked a long day, so door link's got a wood grain that goes horizontally. Looks nice. What I do like about the door link flush polystyrene door, no rigidity line here like on some companies, and that looks kind of stupid if you ask me. But it just flows well. See, it's all flush, and then you got your awesome windows. I didn't know how this would look. I was voting on the long panel glass, but this looks kind of cool actually. I like it. Let me step back. You can see it. Sun's beaming a little bit, but 18x7 red brown, and there is a difference between red and chocolate brown. You got the red brown stops to match. You can see just it's got that little red in there, and this used to be red brown, and it ain't changing nothing. That's definitely red brown. So a lot of times we put well, not we put, but we always recommend, if you got red brown, you get a red brown door. There's not too many companies making red brown. Clopay stopped, which I think was totally foolish, because they made like 10 million gazillion red brown doors, and then they stopped making it, and now they just use chocolate brown and mocha. But anyways, I got companies that make red brown. This is one of them. I love it. Door link 2-inch sandwich. Another shout out to First Choice Doors. He's a door link installer, so what's up, dude? Another door link install here. We're starting to put some of these in again. They got some cool new products, so we're checking them out, and it's obviously red brown. So 18x7, 2-inch polystyrene, 10.29 R value. We will put up the trim here. Got smoked windows coming up, all right? And we got it hooked up with a LED, WLED by Chamberlain LiftMaster. One thing we do is we change out the rollers. We put in nice nylon rollers here, okay? 14 gauge hardware, and then of course we use our 13 ball on the top for the top section. Now this top section is a little heavier, A, because of the glass, and B, for door link give you a 3-inch strut for the top, and then two 2-inch struts for the bottom. Now this door was very difficult to install because we ain't got a lot of room here. You can see there's a lot of stuff here. It was definitely a hard install. There was a shelf up there we had to take down. There was all these obstacles we had to go through to get the door in, and then I'm going to show you some other stuff we had to do. You can hear how absolutely smooth this LED is. I love these LEDs. Super smooth and quiet. Okay, the opener used to be, as soon as the light adjusts here, the opener used to be there, and we opted to not make an H-brace, because it probably would have been really close to this window here. You can see where that comes down. Would have been really close, so we just decided to hang a board up there and then hang the opener up there. We reinforced, those are like 5-6 inch lags, and then another piece of angle right there. We split mount the shaft because over here you couldn't mount the opener in the center because you got his stairs going up there, and you got this stuff up here. We did 15-inch radius, 1/2-inch bolts in the back, split the shaft. You got 3 legs up in there, 2 legs in there, and then 1 up in there. And then obviously we have our lock nut, and then you can see the smoked window again. I'm going to go up here real fast. I haven't been up here. Let me check it out. Dun, 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 dun. Just storage. Cool. More storage. Here's the bird's eye view. Whoop. Close this lens cover here. Okay, there's the LED. There's the wall pad, light lock button, timer to close, batteries charging, all that fun stuff. Okay, total trick install here on the inside. It's just a lot of extra mileage we had to do in here. It's all done. It's awesome. Coming up, new photo eyes. For all your door needs, call Innovative Garage Doors, 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Get more cool videos like this. Hit the like button. Drop a comment, drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the subscribers. We're going to be getting that opener giveaway real soon. That's going to be awesome. So that's it. Red brown door link flush. Innovative. www.innovativedoor.com. Thank you all. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.